2 months, I traveled across almost every country in Europe alone. Train after train, city after city. And honestly, it wasn't what I expected. This all started in 2024. I decided to buy an Interrail pass and just move. I mapped out every country I wanted to pass through. I started moving from one place to the next. Poland, Czech Republic, Austria, Hungary, Slovenia, down to Italy. I flew across to Greece and back on the train again in Bulgaria. It sounds exciting, and it was, but that's only part of the story. At the beginning, everything feels new. Every train ride feels like something big is about to happen. Every city feels different. You're just moving constantly. Wake up, pack, move, explore, repeat. And for a while, that's enough. But after a while, something changes. You're still moving, but it starts to feel familiar. The streets look different, but the feeling doesn't. You start doing the same things every day, finding food, finding places to sit, walking when you can, and most of the time, you are doing it alone. Then you start meeting people, not always the way you expect. Some moments are strange, like this one in Athens.
What are you doing there?
Basically, I'm Interrailing, so I'm going to every European country.
Oh,
Yeah.
Government.
No, just by myself.
Oh, you working there?
So I have a YouTube channel.
What?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
Internet.
Yes.
Ah.
And I make videos.
Videos.
Yeah, like this. I go to cities and I make videos.
Good. My sister, son,
Yeah.
mechanic in computer.
Okay. That's very interesting. That's like smart.
Yeah.
Smart, yeah.
He take good salary
Yeah.
in Switzerland. 10,000. 10,000 euro.
And he lives in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. When he comes to Greece, he's gonna spend like a rich man.
Yes, it's. I have every day
Yeah.
at. We start 7 o'clock. Right now, rock.
Music. Okay.
Yes, after the rock
Yeah.
DJ. After DJ Greek Zorba.
So it's like a Greek local.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
What's the name of your?
I have this 40 years.
40 years.
Yes, I make renovate.
Okay.
I send a name Paradel.
Oh, Paradel. Okay. Now I see.
This is here.
Okay.
This is.
Okay.
Ah,
Well, yeah. Apparently, it looks like maybe a trap though, because he said he owns this bar for like 40 years or something. And I was like, okay, cool. Maybe I'm gonna make like a cool interview. It was gonna be my first encounter with somebody really genuine on the I don't know, while filming. We got into this bar that he said he owned. The name of the bar was Paradel or something like that. No, it was actually sounding kind of fishy at some point. And yeah, we got into this bar. I went in there. After like 1 minute, I guess one of the managers came and she was like, "Oh, I must stop filming." And I was like, "Fuck, I thought this man owned the place." He didn't say anything. And the next thing he would say was, "Oh, nice girls, stay. What do you want? I'm gonna buy you a drink and stuff like that." But like, apparently it was a shop. So I'm gonna continue with my city vlog.
The other times, it is uncomfortable. You don't even know the person. You don't know the situation.
I don't speak.
But you're there and you have to deal with it.
I tell you everything is good.
Okay. Great, thank you, man.
My brother, I come from Britain right now. And some brother helped me 20 crown. I just want to eat something.
Okay.
You have 20 crown.
I don't have cash.
But don't film.
No. Okay.
Bro, don't film, bro. Don't film. Bro, don't film, man.
I'm not filming you.
Don't do that.
And sometimes it's just the small things. People noticing your camera.
Sorry.
Saying hi. Being curious. Those small moments stay with you more than you expect.
Hi.
Not everything gets captured. There are places I went to where I don't even have footage. But they're still part of the journey. And in a way, the moments feel even more real. At some point, it stops being about the countries. It's not about how many places you've been or how far you've gone. It becomes something else, something quieter. You start noticing how you react to things, how you think, how you handle being alone. In conclusion, I didn't come back with answers. I came back with a different perspective. Happy railing.